day one of replacing our floors in our bedroom. So I need to start by cutting the carpet up so I can start bagging it up, get ready for the dump. Let's check. Pull it up. Marble. So now I have to remove this strip with the nails, whatever it's called, around the floor. I'm just using this little pry bar and a hammer. Just knocking it under where I can get in and pulling it up. This is me trying to show you with one hand. Basically doing that. Either break or it comes up. I'll just keep doing that. After that, I vacuum all the dust. Get everything nice and clean. So I want to track it throughout the house. And this is where I left off. Bagged up the carpet. Bagged up those strips and nails, stuff like that. And this is day one. Day two, more of the same. Just going around, removing just the carpet on the edges so I can get that carpet strip up. I'm not sure what this means. Maybe someone else knows what that means, but that was under the carpet. So now I'm just going around the room, removing all the trim, using a putty knife to scar the caulking, and using this pry bar to just pull the brads out so I can get it off the wall. And I'm pretty much just doing this over and over around the whole part of the house or room. And here I'm just trying to remove the caulking by pretty much pushing it with my hand, then I'll use a putty knife for the parts that wouldn't come off by hand. And I just do that on all the pieces. And here's the end result, just a picture I took. So this is after day two. Day three, it's time for the first cut. I plan on doing the first piece by the door. That was just a test strip. I need to cut this board to fit there. I kind of marked it with a Sharpie. It's like these little dots. So I'm gonna start that. After 20 million cuts, I finally got it. I just kept taking off small pieces until I got it where it needed to be. Now I have to cut a whole bunch of pieces to reach that wall. Day four. Day three, I didn't do much. It was kicking my ass, but I finally got it going. It's coming along. So far, so good. My wife took advantage of the floors not being here and decided to paint the wall. But that didn't go well. 2-year-old wouldn't let her do what she needed to do, so she'll continue later. This is the end of day four. This is what I have so far. Still working on it, trying to knock it out. My wife's progress, I don't know. She might be in some gang or something. Y'all let me know. Day five, so far so good. I started laying a couple rows. See how this goes. Anywho, I'm getting there. My wife's progress, getting there. Yeah. Anywho. End of day 5, I pretty much worked all day. You know, I stopped for eating and stuff like that, but pretty much what I have. I still need to do the T-tracks that separates the rooms, like here. But we're still gonna eventually put the laminate floors in the closet and the bathroom as well. Just not right away. My muscles hurt. Day 6, painting baseboards, sanding them down, stuff like that. Not to try to make them perfect, just working on them. I did put notes on every one when I was taking them off, so I know exactly where they go, just in case y'all was wondering. This is the end of day 6. Got the baseboards back down. Got the bed frame back in here. Like I said, I still need to do the T-tracks. But we're ready to move stuff back in.